Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chef Brett. Very excited. We're starting a new series called Cooking with Friends, and I have a great first guest, my niece Evelyn. How you doing today, Evelyn?
Good.
She's going to be doing a book review with us, one of her favorite cookbooks that gets her excited to cook, and then she's going to be making a recipe out of the book for us, cheese quesadillas. So this is the book. Evelyn, what do you like about this book?
So, I like how almost every page, it provides like tips.
Oh, nice.
For specific to every recipe.
And how many recipes do you think you've made out of this book?
Well, there's one that my family really likes, and I probably made it like 3 times. It's a chicken and rice bowl. But I probably made a lot of these.
Oh, nice.
And
do they let you cook a lot at home?
Yeah. And then my family really likes my cooking.
Oh, nice.
Especially the recipes from here.
You cook on like Mother's Day and Father's Day and stuff for your parents?
Yeah. Definitely. But some nights I just feel like if my mom doesn't want to cook, then I just cook.
That's awesome.
And I also like how the recipes are really, really good, but they're very easy too.
Oh, nice. So for kids that are looking to get into cooking, this is a good book, you think?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it?
Yes.
So the name of the book is The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. It's by America's Test Kitchen. I'll put a link down in the description for anybody who wants to pick that up. And what are you going to be making for us today?
So today I'm going to be making cheese quesadillas.
Awesome. Let's get to it. All right, here we go.
So first, you're going to put your cheese on one side of the quesadilla.
All right, getting those set up nice.
So then you're going to fold it over. And then what you do, instead of just putting the oil directly in the pan, what you're going to do is you're going to brush the oil on because you don't want the oil to splash.
Okay, it's kind of like an even coating on the side there.
Yeah, so.
What temp do we set that to?
So put it to like a medium heat about. So you want to put the oil side down.
Oh, and you can fit them both in the same pan.
Yep.
What are we looking to do here?
So what we're looking to do is we're going to get a nice golden brown edge. And while that's cooking, I'm going to just turn that down like a tiny bit. While that side's cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to brush the oil on now. Because once you flip it, you can't go back. Okay. You want to get a good thin coat of oil on them. But you don't want to have a really, really thin coat because you need enough. Okay. Now, zoom to. Can I go? And so.
What's the towel for?
So the towel is for holding here because it's very common to get a burn just trying to grab the handle.
Yeah, let me get zoom in there. That's beautiful.
See, that's the kind of golden look you're going for.
Nice.
And don't.
So would you flip it now?
Don't be afraid to turn the pan because you.
Oh, to look at the other side?
To look at the other side because you really don't want to be reaching over to get burned. So, let me check this one. Yep.
Oh, nice. Look at that cheese that kind of fell out. It's still going to be delicious.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to try to get this.
You going to reshape them?
Yeah, because I kind of forgot that I had to. Yeah, like that.
All right, nice.
Now we're just going to let those cook there.
See how these are looking. How's the bottom look?
Let's try. Yep.
Beautiful.
Bargain.
Those are looking ready.
So, I'm just gonna try to turn this one.
Little chef's tip, always show your nicest side.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, and now, don't forget to turn off the heat.
Oh, don't forget.
Because we don't. Is it off? Nope, that's over.
Burn the house down, they won't let you cook again.
I was gonna say, because we don't want to burn the house down. Okay. So now we are going to cut them. Just in half, since these ones are small, but if you have a bigger tortilla, then I cut it into fourths. So just hold the tip down there.
Yeah.
And then hold it with your dominant hand. And then hold.
Oh, cool. Well, those look beautiful. I think there's one last thing to do. We need to try them, right?
Yep.
Let's try it. Mmm. Nice and crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
That's a great easy dinner and snack.
Mm-hmm.
You could probably put anything you want inside them, right?
Yeah. You could put chicken, you could put steak, you could put green onions, you could put really anything. You could also dip it in sour cream, salsa.
All kinds of dip, huh?
Yeah.
We're double dipping. Good thing we're family. Well, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time, right?
Yep, see you
All right,
next
thanks.
time.